Parenting a teenager is hard, because what do you mean he might never find a laundry basket? Like the floor is just another storage option. And somehow he's still able to find his favorite hoodie. Raising teens is basically learning to let go a little while still staying connected. I like that Instagram teen accounts help support that balance. It automatically places teens 13 to 17 in a protected experience with built-in content settings and contact limits. These protections are put on by default, like what content shows up, who can contact them, and the time limit reminders. I can also add some extra controls through parental supervision on Instagram teen accounts if I want to do that too. He gets independence and I get to nag him a little bit less.
Kayong magkakapatid, huwag kayong magkanya-kanya. Kasi sa totoo lang, hindi kayo sisirain ng problema, kundi ng pride. At habang tumatanda kayo, lalo kayo nagkakalayo. Dati sabay-sabay kayo nagtatawanan, kwentuhan, simpleng buhay. Ngayon, may kanya-kanyang mundo, may kanya-kanyang laban, at minsan, wala nang pakialaman. Minsan hindi mo alam. Pero may kapatid kang tahimik na lumalaban ngayon, hindi nagsasabi, pero walang-wala na. At ang masakit, imbis na magdamayan, nagbibilangan pa ng pagkukulang. Tandaan mo, hindi habang buhay ikaw ang nasa taas. Darating ang araw, ikaw naman ang mangangailangan. At sana may kapatid ka pang malalapitan. Kaya habang may pagkakataon, ibabaan niyo ang pride, matutong umintindi. Piliin yung magtulungan kaysa maglamangan. Kasi sa dulo ng lahat, hindi pera ang babalikan mo, kundi pamilya. Yung mga kapatid, na kahit ilang beses kang bumagsak, nandyan sila na handa kang sabayan para tumayo. Kung may kapatid kang hindi mo pa nakakausap, eto na yung sign.